Hi, today is Trenchless Tuesday. I am coming to you live. It is November 7th with a crew. I'm on site with the Idaho Transportation Department. Cray Construction, Northwest Grouting is here, and we are in Priest River, Idaho, lining a 48-inch corrugated metal pipe with some 42-inch Snap-Tite. You can see all the Snap-Tite is sitting behind me. We've got 6 sticks of 42-inch Snap-Tite. Last night till about 5:30, the crew was prepping the area, cleaning out the existing 48-inch, which I'm going to be showing you some video of the condition of that pipe. It's in really, really bad shape, but it will be lineable. It's just probably going to need a lot of grout. And then there is a bullet nose just to make sure that we can clear through a lot of the rust that's in the pipe so that there's no deflections under Highway 2 up here in Priest River. So stay tuned as the week goes on. You guys are going to see more from this project. So you guys can see they're still cleaning out some rock around the existing pipe. It is in very bad shape. You can see the rust around the outside. The pipe is pretty much gone at the inlet here. So we are going to be pushing pipe from this inlet to the outlet on the other side of the highway, which you can see right above us. Both sides of this pipe pretty much look like this condition. Yesterday, the big boulders were cleared out, and then today we will be moving those 6 sticks that you saw over here on the job site that are sitting over there, and we'll be moving them back over into this ravine so we can start slip lining. This should all happen today, and then grouting should happen tomorrow. So stay tuned.